How to install click tiles and borders by Greatmats. Click tiles are an easy DIY option to elevate basements, garages, and courttops. Before you begin, here are some materials you may need. Measuring tape, straight edge, rubber mallet, band saw. Here we are installing modular carpet tiles over this concrete basement. Ensure you keep tile loops outward and add additional tiles in the same direction. Start at the bottom corner and work across, row by row. When installing one tile over the previous, use a rubber mallet or your hands to click the hooks and loop into place. Once all the click tiles are in place, you can add border strips. These border strips create a ramped edge that reduces tripping hazards and creates a finished look for installations that are not wall-to-wall. The male border has the nub at the bottom of the border, and the female border strips have the loops coming off the edge of the border. Use a male border on the female edge of a tile and use a female border on the male edge of the tile. Corner border strips can be added to give the border strips a rounded edge. If you don't want borders and want your tiles to be edge to edge, use a tape measure to measure the distance between the existing tiles and the edge of the basement floor. Mark the distance of the tile you would like to cut with a pen or marker, and then create a straight line through the tile. Because these tiles are made from a strong PVC plastic, a band saw is recommended to cut through the tiles. When all the tiles are cut, you can then install them. Now the basement is fully covered with no gaps. For questions about measuring, products, or installation, contact the customer service team at greatmats.com. They're ready to assist you and ensure a smooth ordering process.